All right, everybody, this is Bobby Shields. He wants to tell us a little bit about his experience. So go ahead, Bobby.
First of all, I'd like to thank Rick and Rhonda for everything they've done for me. When I first came down here, my hearing was real bad. I couldn't hardly hear anything, and they put me in a hearing booth. They fixed my ears. They put me in a nice set of earplugs, and I've been hearing great ever since. And I come down a few times a month, get them adjusted, everything. Rick gives me some new filters and things like that, and checks them out and everything. And I couldn't ask for nothing no better. I mean, I appreciate everything they have done for me.
Awesome, appreciate that. So how has the hearing aids improved your life?
It has improved my life immensely. It brings me back to like in my 20s and 30s when I
Ah,
could hear great. Like I say, you changed my filters for me and get them where I can really hear great. And I'm very happy. I couldn't be no more pleased.
awesome. Well, we appreciate you, Bobby, and we'll continue to look after you.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for the testimonial.